So for workshop 2, we will explain about fishbone diagram. So the main problem in our fishbone diagram is the event organization is not organized. So this is our fishbone diagrams. There are 5 cause and effects of fishbone diagrams, including organizing and planning, communication, resources, venue, and also perception and attendance. The first effects and cause in our fishbone diagram is organizing and planning. So the first is event blastings is not centralized, so it's everywhere. Second is redundant event. The third is inadequate plannings. And the fourth is very unclear policy.
For communication, there's two types of issue: lack of communication and lack of information. Lack of communication means a lack of clear communication between organizers and attendees, resulting to misunderstandings and uncoordinated efforts, while lack of information means that attendees they receive insufficient information, leading to difficulty to stay informed and engaged.
Now, let's talk about the resources. The first one is insufficient budget. We frequently face budget constraints which limit our ability to plan and execute event effectively. Secondly, lack of equipment. A shortage of necessary equipment further hampers our ability to deliver high-quality events.
Move on to the venue. The first one is refreshing happens when there are 2 or more events that takes place on the same venue at the same date. Then, the second is not suitable venue. Not suitable venue happens when the venue that has been chosen is not suitable for the scale or the concept for the event.
Okay, now I will share with you about cause number 5, which are perception and attendance. So firstly, we have student perception are not accepted. So there is a gap in understanding what students actually want from the events. And then this misunderstanding leads to organizing events that do not meet the student interest or expectation. That will cause resulting in low attendance. Secondly, we have overloaded student schedules. As we know, students often have busy schedules filled with academic and extracurricular commitments. Even if an event aligns with student interests, conflicting schedules may prevent them from attending the events. In conclusion, there are 5 challenges of organizing events, which are resources, venue, communication, organizing and planning, and lastly, perception and attendance. So by addressing these critical issues, we can improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of event management. Implementing this solution will lead to higher student engagement, better organized events, and a positive reputation for the club. So that's all from us for challenges of organizing event in the Fishbone diagram. Thank you and have a nice day.